Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying firmware, and iPhone iOS so software glitches aren't the culprit. Place both AirPods Pro in the case and charge them to at least 50% because low battery causes dropouts. Once charged, turn Bluetooth off and on your device and forget the AirPods in Bluetooth settings. This clears pairing records. You're doing these steps now to remove transient state problems before deeper resets. This saves time and rules out simple causes. After forgetting the device, perform a full AirPods reset. Hold the case setup button for about 15 seconds until the light flashes amber then white. This returns firmware settings to default. Then, make sure your phone's network settings are clean. Reset network settings if other Bluetooth devices also drop. Once done, pair the AirPods again with only one device nearby and test in a low interference area. This isolates whether multiple connected devices. You now check the remaining hardware and system level causes. Update Bluetooth drivers or OS on other paired devices because compatibility issues often disconnect AirPods. Inspect the case contacts and hinge for grime. Clean gently with 70% isopropyl on a soft swab to restore charging and connection reliability. Once repaired, monitor for stability. If it still disconnects, contact Apple support for diagnostics or battery replacement. And as a troubleshooting tip, try pairing with a different.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.